Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Creuset Stoneware Salt and Pepper Shaker set. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of stoneware salt and pepper shakers from Creuset. And take a look around the box packaging, and at the back there are some care and use instructions for this set of salt and pepper shakers. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the sticky seal. That's keeping the box securely closed. And just popping up the sides and taking a look directly into the box packaging. There are some further details on the inside of the card box packaging, right there in other languages. So what appears to be the same care instructions that we saw at the back of the box packaging. Let's go ahead and lift the contents out. So just figuring out how to remove the salt and pepper shakers from this well-packed card packaging. So right there, being careful to remove the salt and pepper shakers. And just setting the box to the side of the frame once we can close it all back up. So right there, setting the box packaging to the side of the frame on the right hand side of the table. And with the salt and pepper shakers in hand, as you can see, just setting them down so you have a nice clear look at them both. So they are of a milky pink color. So nice creamy light pink pastel color, as you can see right there, almost flesh-like in tone, with a slight powdery soft pink. And taking a look at the underside of the salt and pepper shakers. So they are dishwasher, microwave oven, fridge and freezer safe. And taking a look top down, you can see the salt shaker on the left and the pepper shaker on the right. And we can see the Creuset branding towards the bottom of the shakers. And in terms of size, with the pair or set of shakers in my hand, right there, giving you some idea and some perspective of the size of these shakers. And the pouring holes or shaking holes up close. And let's just focus on one at the moment. Let's focus on the salt shaker. And just giving you a look right there, up close, in as much detail as possible, with the opening at the top and at the bottom. You can see that there is a plug or cap. Let's pop it out so you can see right there into the shaker and the thickness of the stoneware design, and of course the cap as well. So the cap is a soft plastic cap with a translucent design, and right there giving you some various other perspectives of this salt shaker. So just replacing the cap back in, simply push in, and there we've got the cap back inside. And you can see on the base, it is unglazed on the base with that beige color of the stoneware or ceramic. And they're giving you a full rotation, so you can see the full detail of this shaker, and more specifically the salt shaker from this Le Creuset Stoneware salt and pepper shaker set. So overall you can see that nice glossy glazed finish with that soft pink colouring or milky pink colouring. And now taking a look at the pepper shaker, which has of course more holes at the top compared to the salt shaker. And once again we see that Le Creuset branding with the iconic rings around it as well. And we see that familiar plug cap with that soft plastic translucent design. And taking a look straight into the vessel or shaker, and just simply replacing the cap back in and giving you some idea of this sturdy stoneware design. Right there, once again giving you a complete look in detail of this Le Creuset Stoneware salt and pepper shaker set. So take a look at the set up close. And in detail. So that's the Le Creuset Stoneware Salt and Pepper Shaker set. Thanks for watching and happy shaking!